What's going on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TPMS system here on our 2016 Lexus GS-F. Alright guys, so we got our Xtool D8 set up here, and we have an issue with our tire pressure monitor system. It's not reading any of the sensors, and we have a blinking TPMS light. So we're going to go ahead and scan it here to see what kind of codes we come up with. So this is a Lexus. Okay, it is in North America. It has radar cruise. We're going to select OK. We are going to go to automatic scan, and we're going to let it do its thing. Alright guys, so we got all of our systems here scanned. You'll see we have 8 codes for the TPMS module. Let me just get you guys so you can see this a little bit easier. We're going to go to DTC report, and you're going to see we have codes for all 4 of our sensors twice. We have them history and current. So we have a C2121, C2122, 2123, and 2124. So what I want to go ahead and do now is go back here, and we are going to go to system selection, and we are going to find TPMS, which is right here, and we're going to see if any of these things are reading on live data. Alright guys, so here we are. We can see all 4 of our codes that are registered here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if you'll see, I can already see an issue here. Temperature and tire pressure in tire 1, -40. Temperature in tire, -40, -40. So these things are not reading. Let's go ahead down here to inflation pressure. Not applicable, not applicable. So there's something going on here. These are not reading. So with that being said, this car is a 2016. It is 7 years old, and these tire pressure sensors, if they're even in the tires, are probably, you know, beyond their useful life, because they are battery operated, and they do not, you know, the battery is not serviceable. So we went ahead and we ordered 4 new tire pressure sensors, and we're going to use this Xtool D8 to program them. So we're going to go ahead here into special functions. Okay, once that pulls up, we're going to go to ID registration, and we are going to register our 4 new sensors. We're going to do main set. We're going to press OK. After pressing OK, you will have to perform the following operation: input each transmitter ID code. So we're going to hit OK. Okay, and we have 4 of them here. Now what we're going to do here is, we are, just to be sure, we are going to snap a picture of each one of our tire pressure sensors. The ID number that you want is right here. If I can get it to focus. It's the one right above the barcode. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to take a picture of all 4 of these, and then I'm going to go ahead and input them. That way, if for some reason I have an issue, I know what this is. Let me see if I can get this to zoom in really quick. There we go, 60BAC97. So we're going to, like I said, I'm going to input all 4 of these, and we're going to take it from there. Alright, so like we said, we are 60B as in Bravo, A as in Alpha, C as in Charlie, 97. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit done, and OK. Okay, we're going to do the second one now. This is going to be, I'll read it to you, 60BAFE5. BAFE5, done, okay. We're going to move to the next one. Next up, we have a 60E18FE. So we're going to come over here. 60E18FE, done, okay. Now we only have 1 left. Last but not least, we have a 60E18DD. I like double D. 60E18 D, D. Done. Okay. Main set ID registration is complete. When the tire pressure warning light is not extinguished, please use... Okay, so we should not have to do anything with here. We're going to hit OK. We're going to go ahead. We're going to go back. We're going to go to live data. And we're going to make sure that all of our new sensors here that we just registered match. So here we have all of our sensors. Okay. So our first one is C97, 60B AC97. That's correct. Our second one is 60B AFE5, 60B AFE5. Our third one is 60E18FE, and our fourth one is 60E18DD. So all of these match now. Now all we really need to do is install these into the tires and drive the car. These will wake up or be activated as the tire begins to spin, and they will begin to read. So we are good here with the programming. Now we're going to go ahead, head over to the tire shop and get these installed into my wheels. Alright guys, so we're here getting our tire sensors done. I just took the time to come out and take a look underneath this thing. And I'll tell you what, for a 2016, whoever had this thing took very good care of it. You'll see here our shocks are not leaking. We have plenty of meat left on these rear brakes. All the exhaust components are in nice shape. This is a very good thing here. Our other rear shock is not leaking. Again, plenty of meat. You'll see here, axle boots are not leaking. Subframe is in nice shape. Let's come up over to the front. Now I do have front brakes on order for this because you'll see they are pretty low, so we're going to be doing them here on the channel. But you'll see under here we got no leaks or anything. Alright guys, we got Craig here. He's just in the middle of changing these sensors. So walk me through what you're doing here. You broke the bead down, right?
So we broke the bead down. On some wheels, you can just put the top, pop the top bead down, and just got to take a whatever that'll be, 11 or 12 most rims, and the whole thing will just pop out underneath, pop in the new one, and program the sensor, and you're good to go.
So you don't even have to dismount the tire to do something like this?
On most wheels, it really depends.
I got you. Cool. All right, guys, we're back in the GS-F, and you'll see our tire light is off. All four of our tire sensors are reading. So this is what I would call a successful repair. We went ahead, programmed them ourselves using our Xtool D8, and then we brought the car to the shop and had them put the sensors in. All right guys, so we're back home, back in the garage. Like I showed you, our sensors are reading, the light is off, and everything is good. So I hope this video helped you program or install or both your tire pressure sensors, and if it did, or if you just enjoyed watching, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.